Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today we will discuss topic physical and chemical change. Before we will describing a physical and chemical change, we describe what is meant by change. Make or become different, an act or process through which something become different from what it is or from what it would be if left alone. Now, how many changes occurs in compounds or substances? There are two type of changes occur in it. These are physical change and chemical change. Now we will describe first physical change. Physical change is a change in which matter is altered but no new substance is formed. In a physical change, no new substance are formed. The change that takes place is only in state and shape. And during these changes, the substance does not lose their chemical identity. Now, what kind of a changes takes place in state of substance? These are changes from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, and from gas to liquid. For example, melting of ice and melting of candle. In melting of ice melt from solid to liquid. No new substance is formed. The chemical formula of ice and the chemical formula of water is same, that is H2O. Only the state of ice is changed from solid to liquid. Melting of candle, wax melt from solid to liquid. No new substance is formed. In another example, evaporation of water and boiling. Water change from liquid state to vapors. Again, no new substance is formed. The chemical formula of a liquid water and vapors are same, that is H2O. Now, change in shape. Cutting of wood and shredding of paper. No new change takes place. Only the change that takes place in the shape of the wood and the size of a paper. So, in a physical change, no new substance is formed, only the change occurs in state and shape. Now, we move forward to a chemical change. It is a change in which new substances are formed by chemical reaction. When two or more than two substances combine with each other, they form new substance by a chemical reaction, which is known as a chemical change. These chemical changes takes place in substance by rusting, rotting, burning, and by color changes. For example, rusting of nail. Iron react with water and oxygen to form new substance called rust. It is a chemical change that takes place through chemical reaction, that is oxidation. Rotting of apple. The yellow-white color of apple is changed to brown. Iron that are present in apple oxidize due to the presence of a moisture and oxygen that are present in atmosphere. It is a chemical change. Burning of paper and firework. These are the example of chemical change. New substances are formed that are carbon dioxide, water vapors, and light when burning of paper and fireworks takes place. So again, new substances are formed in these chemical reactions. So, in a chemical change, new substances are formed and state of matter change from one form to another form. If we summarize our lecture, then we concluded that in a physical change, no new substances are formed. In a chemical change, new substances are formed through chemical reaction. Physical change, only change takes place in state and shape. Chemical change, state of matter change from one form to another form. Now there is a quiz for you. In this diagram, there are different physical and chemical changes. Example. You identify which kind of them are physical and which of them are chemical. Thank you. This is the end of lecture. Allah Hafiz.